Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dikeledi Milenze. If you're new here, hi there Steve, welcome home. I really do hope that you stay. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, how are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you know that next time I have a new video up. First of all, thank you guys for 150 subscribers. I am so happy. Like, we're getting there. Road to 200 followers. I'm hoping to, work on my consistency so we can get there a little more quick, right? So today, as you guys may have seen from the title of the video, you guys are spending a Sunday with me, and that is because I could not go to church today. So I'll be cooking. I gathered some vegetables, not a lot because people in this house actually do not like vegetables. So I gathered just a few vegetables together to make some gravy, some roasted butternuts. What else? Yeah, I'll just see as I cook, right? So I am so happy to be back here, guys. I truly enjoy this. I haven't been having a lot of content, and that is because I use my phone for a lot of things right now. My laptop is broken, so some of the things that I used my laptop for I now use on my phone. You understand? So before yappity yap yap gets too much, let us get into it.
I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours when it's felt like days. Only been days but it felt like months. I've been gone for a year, only felt like months. Move fast and you do what you want. This time, go to what I want. Hope you do what you want.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, place on it, take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, place on it, take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you?
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So as you guys may have seen, I did put the butternut inside the oven. So now I'm just gonna quickly bath my daughter and then get back to cooking, because I didn't want to start with everything and then yena has to and stuff, like,
that you are lost, even if you don't love yourself. That you are lost, even if you don't love yourself. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the telling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at.
I don't want righteousness. I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun. Can't ball in a life, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Unfortunately, this marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys really did enjoy. I am so tired, if you cannot tell already. I'm super exhausted. The food is delicious. I truly enjoyed it. I also had a glass of water after that. I'm just really tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have made it this far, I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Please do comment, like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know the next time I have a new video up. Ciao.